You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say the name of this city in Crimea? Let's hear Russian or Ukrainian pronunciations. It is said rather similarly in both Russian and Ukrainian. There might be a slight difference in accent, but the basic essential pronunciation is the same. Sevastopol. Sevastopol is how it's said in Russian or Ukrainian. Therefore, in English, it's said rather similarly. It's not a difficult one to say. Sevastopol. Sevastopol. The stress is on the to syllable. Sevastopol. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.